Hi, and welcome to Melco's Advanced Embroidery Systems. You've likely seen Melco's downtime saver calculation, which shows you how much time you can save with a 6-head Melco modular configuration over that of conventional 6-head multi-head system. But let's look at actual production value. This time we have based our calculations on the capital cost of a setup and production output in order to make a fair value comparison between Melco and other high-end conventional systems. The average 6-head price range from the top brands in the industry ranges between 690,000 Rand to 760,000. To ensure we compare apples with apples, this does not include any Chinese brands. You'll also notice that we are not comparing 6 heads versus 6 heads, but instead a conventional 6-head versus a 4-head Melco modular system to keep the investment cost relative to each other. Let's use the average school emblem as an example for this exercise. In my experience, the average school emblem has around 10,000 stitches, give or take 2,000 stitches. Other factors that we'll have to consider for this calculation is a single thread change and the obvious hoop change. Keeping in mind that the average running speed for a conventional multi-head system is around 650 to 800 stitches, with the maximum speed of 1,000 stitches per minute. Whereas with a Melco EMT16, we run at an average speed of 1,100 stitches per minute and a maximum of 1,500 stitches per minute. Let's consider a thread change takes an average of 1.5 minutes and inserting a hoop takes an average of 10 seconds. This is with the assumption that all garments are hooped and ready to be embroidered. Because a conventional multi-head system is connected to a single brain, all heads are dependent on each other. This means before I can start, I have to ensure each head is set up the same, in this case changing the thread of one needle and inserting a new hoop. By the time I have finished with my 6th head, more than 10 minutes has already passed with no production yet. Assuming everything is going smoothly at 800 stitches per minute, not including color changes and trims, my 10,000 stitch design should be finished in 16 minutes and 20 seconds. So only after 26 minutes have I finished my first 6 garments, and then the process starts again. After 9 hours or 540 minutes, I should have finished at least 129 units. Not bad for a 10,000 stitch design. What if I told you you can do more production with less machines? Let's have a look at a 4-head Melco modular system. Keeping the setup process and time the same, with only 2 very advantageous differences. The first being able to start each machine as soon as my hoop has been inserted. The second being able to run at higher speeds, in this case an average of 1,100 stitches per minute. This setup produces a consistent embroidery cycle, which in effect reduces your downtime and increases your productivity more than that of a conventional multi-head system. Like before, assuming everything is going smoothly at 1,100 stitches per minute, not including color changes and trims, my first 10,000 stitch design should be finished in 9 minutes and 10 seconds. At 24 minutes, including a second embroidery cycle, I have completed 8 10,000 stitch designs. In 9 hours or 540 minutes, the Melco 4-head modular multi-head system has finished 187 units. This is an additional 58 units more than any conventional 6-head can offer for close to the same price. No other machine can compete with the effective production output of a Melco system. Based on these calculations, as well as actual experiences with well-trained machine operators, we have proven time and time again the immense value of Melco's modular setup in productivity, versatility, and mobility, which far outweighs any price comparisons of any conventional multi-head system in the same class. Take a look at how some of our Melco customers operate in the rest of the world. Thank you for watching.